Assalamu alaikum. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the sound of letter B and letter C
and letter
when they
T.
come after vowels and when they come before vowels. Today we are discussing about the rest of the consonant of German language letters of alphabet. Let's start from the letter of C. When C come along with the letter K, it would give the voice of K. For example, Gluck. When C come after I, E, O and U, then it would give the voice of sh. English letter SH along with sh. For example, douche. When C come after the letter A, then it would give the voice of h. For example, machen. Machen to make. Now discuss about the sound of G. When it come along with the letter N, then it would give the voice of ing. For example, English word spring. When we translate it into German language, then it would be Frühling. Frühling. When G comes after the letter I, then it would give the voice of ish. For example, ruhig. Ruhig. Now, what would be the sound of H when it will come first in a word? Then we say that H don't change its voice or its sounds. Then we speak it holy, like the word holy, heelish. It would give the voice of h, heelish. When H comes after the vowels, then it would be silent. It would have no voice. Male, floor, male, floor. In German language, the letter J gives the sound of letter Y, Y. For example, Y, yes. When we translate the English word yes, it would give the voice of Y. What would be the sound of K when we speak K? It would give the voice of C, K. For example, kindergarten, kindergarten. And the sound of L would be L. In German, sound of L would be L, Liebe. What would be the sound of P when it comes along with H? When P comes